Welcome to WiseLink Academy. For today, we're going to be considering a problem under tangency. As you can see the figure at the right hand side of the screen, that figure is a spanner, right? So we want to reproduce out that figure by applying the principle of tangency. First thing first, my first thing to do, as illustrated in diagram, is to draw my horizontal line, right? So if I have my t-square this way and I place my t-square on my paper, I will draw horizontal line, long one, short one, long one, short one, long one, short one, short one, long one, short one, long one, short one. I have this. So this horizontal line is what you are seeing my arrow indicating at the right hand side of the screen, right? So my next task is to take my 60-degree set square, also called 30-degree set square, this way, and draw an inclined 30-degree this way, right? I have this. So where they meet at this point here, right, at this point is that point you are seeing my arrow indicating, right? Such that I will place my t-square this way at this point and draw a line downwards this way. As you can see what I have now, this point is what you are seeing my arrow indicating. Now my next task is that if you observe closely at point, there is a distance of 40, 20, then 20 downwards, 20 upward. If I measure out 20 on my meter rule from here to here, is given to be 20, right? I will place it at this point, strike an arc here, also strike an arc here, which sum up to what? 40. So next up, I will draw a parallel line, a line like this to this and to this upper one, this way, right? If I draw it this way, take my t-square, my set square this way, tangent to my t-square, I'll draw this way. Next up, I will draw at this point, draw it this way, right? I'll draw it that way. Now where it meets at this point here, at this point is that point you are seeing my arrow indicating. At that point here, there's an arc of what? Of 50, r50, right? So I will measure r50 on my meter rule. If I measure r50 from here to here, is given to be r50, right? So at this point, right, I'll strike an arc on this 30-degree I did initially, right? So having done that, I'll place my compass at this point, then what? Strike an arc this way, a faint arc, right? Next up, at this other point too, strike an arc this way, the faint line. So I have what you are seeing in front of you. Now my next task is to take my set square this way. At this point here, right, I will join it to this point here, this point to this point, this way, right? Next up, this point to this point, this way. So my next task is taking out this point from here to here. I'll taking it. Next up, from here to this point, I will taking it. As you can see what I am having. Now we are on track. So my next task here is to observe. This is 50, right, and 50 downwards. Now if you observe closely, there's an arc of what? 30. There's an arc of 30, 32 somewhere here, such that arc, there's an other arc of what? 50, r50. So I'll simply minus 50 from 32. If I do that by calculation, if I subtract 50 from 32, I'll have 18, right? So I'll measure 18, my meter rule, from here to here 18, 1.8, right? Now at this point here, I'll strike this place, arc this way. Now I will now measure what? That R32. 32 from this point to this point is 32, right? At this point here, where you strike the arc, gauge it to touch this arc here, this way, as you can see. As you can see what I did, right? Next up, if you observe, also there is an arc of 38 here. 38 here was 32, here is not 38. So minus 38, 38 from 50, I will have 12. So I'll measure 12, 1.2 from this point to this point, 1.2. At this point here, strike this arc here at this point. Next up, I will now measure 38 initially as given in the dimension. From here to here is going to be what? 38. Now at this point here, I will ensure that I get it to touch this way. I have this. As you can see what is in front of you. So my next task is that if you observe closely, there's an arc that covers this place, R50. So I will measure R50 on my meter rule, right? So if I can produce out that R50, here is what I need to do. Task now is that I need to produce out, there's an arc here called R50, as you can see my arrow indicating. So to produce that 50, I need to take my compass at this point to this point, right? At this center point, from here to here was 18 initially. At this center point here, at this place, strike an arc here to touch that 30-degree with rod initially. Similarly, from this point here to this point was given to be 12 by a calculation. So from at this point here, called the arc. Where the arc meets at this point, I will measure that 50. So from here to here, this is 50. So at this center point here, I will connect the arc together this way so I can thicken it now, right? Similarly, from this point here, I will extend it to this point to thicken this part here, right? Similarly, this point here to thicken this point here, as you can see. So at this point here, draw this up to thick line. Similarly, at this point, I close this part up to with a thick line this way. As you can see. So we have successfully produce out the head of that spanner, right? So my next task now is to observe closely, right? At this point, let me show you what I'm saying, what I'm doing. If you observe closely, right? Now, if you observe, distance from this center point to somewhere down here is 200. So I will take my meter rule from this point here, right? So from this point here, down here is going to be what? 200. So I will just draw this downward, right? Downward. Similarly, come to this point, right? At this point here, I'll draw this downward, right? It simply means from here to here is 200 as illustrated in the diagram. So my next task now is that if you observe this an radius of 15 at this point, so I'll measure 15 for my meter rule. So with my compass, from here to here is 15, right? So I'll similarly just put it here at this point, draw arc this way, arc of 15, this way. As you can see, now next task is that I will take this edge like this down this way to touch this line I drew. Similarly, I'll take this also down this way, so I have this, right, as you can see in front of you. So my next task now is that if you observe closely, there is an arc, right, entering this straight line here. If you observe, there is an arc of what, 38. So for me to produce that arc is an external arc. So for every external arc, what do? You simply what, add. Now before I can start producing that arc, if you observe, that arc was what, is going to be what, 38. So I will measure 38 in my compass. From this point here, the meter rule, from this point here to this point here is 38, right? So at this point, I'll strike an arc upward. Also come down here, strike an arc downward this way. If you observe closely, the arc here too is going to be what, 38. So I will make sure this line touch that arc. So at this point this way, right, I will ensure that this way. So the straight line has cut this place. Now I will extend this point downward and this point to downward this way. So I'll be having this by illustration. Touch this place. Similarly, I'll take this point here downward to touch this point this way, right? So this is 38, also 38 downwards. So we said we are adding what? We are adding 38 with what? 50. So if I add 38 with 50, I will have 88. So I will measure 88, my meter rule. From this point to this point here is 88. 88 to this point here is 88. So at this point, listen, at this point, strike an arc, right? I will erase this. Similarly, at this same point here, strike another arc here. I will erase this. So I have what you are seeing in front of you. So at this point, I will gauge it this way. I will gauge it this way. As you can see, gauge it this way. Similarly, at this point here, I will also gauge it. I will gauge it this way. I will gauge it this way. So having gauge it, I will make sure I close it up. The thick line this way. As you can see, next up, I will close it up. Close it up this way. I'll do it this way as illustrated in the diagram, right? So alright, we have successfully replicated what you're seeing at the left corner of the screen, right, to be this, right? If you have found this video helpful, kindly click on the subscribe button and like. Also share to your friends and classmates. Thank you and welcome to Wise Link Academy.